Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Talk English.
We are so happy to see you again and practice English together.
I'm Alex, your English practice partner.
And I'm Emma, your friend in this English journey.
Today we are going to learn one very common and powerful English word.
Yes, the word is get.
Many learners feel confused because get has many meanings and uses.
But don't worry, we will explain it in a very easy, fun, and practical way.
After this video, you will be able to use get naturally in daily English.
So relax, listen carefully, and repeat after us to practice speaking.
Let's start today's topic, how to use get in English. Yesterday, I got a surprise call from my best friend, and he told me some really exciting news.
Oh, wow. What kind of news did you get? Tell me slowly.
He said, I got selected for a small internship, and I was jumping with happiness.
That's amazing. So here, get means you received something or obtained something.
Exactly. Like you can say, I got a message from my teacher.
I got a message from my teacher on WhatsApp.
Or if you buy something, you can say, I got a new phone yesterday.
I got a new phone yesterday. It means I received it.
My brother got a new game console and was playing all night.
I wish I got it too. It sounds so fun.
You can also say, I got good marks in my exam.
I got good marks in my exam this year.
Sometimes I got a gift from my neighbor and it made my day.
I like it. I want to get gifts like that too.
Very good. Using get like this will make your English sound natural. Today the weather is really cold, and I am getting very cold while walking outside.
Then wear a jacket. Don't freeze out there.
Here, getting cold means becoming cold, not receiving cold.
I am getting cold, so I will wear my warm jacket.
Yesterday, I got very nervous before my exam. I couldn't even focus properly.
I know that feeling. So here, get shows a change in your state or mood.
You can say, I get tired after working for a long time.
I get tired after studying for 2 hours.
Sometimes I got frustrated when my computer stopped working.
I also get frustrated when the internet is slow.
You can also say, I get happy when I listen to my favorite song.
I get happy when I watch funny videos on YouTube.
My little brother got angry because I ate his chocolate.
That's funny. So he became angry, right?
Yes, using get like this makes your English sound natural and conversational. Yesterday, I got home really late, and my mom was standing at the door like a police officer.
Oh no! What time did you finally get home, Mr. Late Boy?
Around midnight, and my phone battery was dead, so I couldn't even call her.
That's why she was angry, right?
Yes, she said, when did you get here? Are you a ghost or something?
So here, get means arrive or reach a place.
You can also say, I got to school late, or I got to the office early.
Yesterday, I got to the cinema before you because you were still sleeping.
Hey, I was not sleeping. I was just getting ready very slowly.
Slowly or lazily, everyone knows the truth.
Okay, I admit it. But people use get a lot to talk about travel and arrival.
I got to the station at 5 a.m. and the train was empty.
My friend got to the airport late and almost missed the flight.
Oh no, that's scary. So get here shows reaching a place.
Yes, using get like this makes your English sound natural and fun. Emma, I didn't want to get up today. My bed was too comfortable.
So, Mr. Sleepy, what time did you finally get up?
I got up at 8:30, but my alarm rang at 6:30.
Oh no, that's 2 hours of extra sleep. Lucky you.
When I got up, I felt like a zombie walking to the kitchen.
So you became sleepy zombie, I see.
My little brother got up before me and ate all the biscuits.
What? So you didn't get your breakfast?
No, I got angry, but then I got some bread instead.
Classic morning story. So get up equals wake up from bed, right?
Exactly. I got up late, my dad got annoyed, and I got ready quickly.
I get up at 7 a.m. every day to practice English.
Sometimes I get up and my dog jumps on me, making me laugh.
That's so cute. I also get up happily when my pet is around.
See? Using get up in your sentences makes your English natural and fun. Yesterday, I got on the bus and realized I forgot my wallet at home.
Oh no. So how did you get off the bus?
I had to get off quickly before the driver noticed.
Oh, that's so scary. I hope the bus didn't leave you there.
Later, I got on the next bus, but it was completely full.
Wow, so you got stuck inside?
Yes, I got pushed by everyone. It was like a crowded party.
So get on equals enter the bus and get off equals leave the bus.
Exactly. You can say, I got on the train at 8 a.m.
I got on the bus early today and found a seat.
My friend got off the train at the wrong station and got very confused.
Oh no, he really didn't know where to go, right?
I got off the bus at my stop, feeling so happy I didn't miss it.
I also get on and off buses every day. It's part of my routine.
Using get on and get off like this makes your English natural and easy to understand. Yesterday, I told my little brother, "Get in the car. We're going to the market."
Did he get in immediately?
No, he got out again because he wanted to bring his toy first.
Oh no, so he went in and out several times?
Yes, it was so funny. I got a little frustrated but started laughing too.
So get in equals enter and get out equals leave.
I got in the car quickly before it started raining.
I got out of the room because it was too hot inside.
My friend got in the taxi but forgot his bag, so he got out again to grab it.
Classic. He really kept getting in and out.
Then we got in the car finally and started singing loudly on the way.
That sounds fun. I also get in the car and play music sometimes.
Using get in and get out in daily life makes your sentences sound very natural.
I got in the office early today and finished my work happily.
Great! Now you can use get in and get out like a native speaker. Yesterday, I went to my friend's house and forgot my notebook there.
Oh no! So when did you get it back?
I got it back today, but only after my friend teased me for forgetting it.
That's so typical. So get back means return or receive something you had before.
I got back my pen from the library yesterday.
I got back my bag from the classroom after lunch.
My little brother got back his lost toy after searching all day.
Wow, he must have been so happy, right?
Exactly. Using get back is very common when talking about returning or receiving again.
I got back from the market before 7 p.m.
My friend got back from vacation yesterday and showed us lots of photos.
That's nice. So he returned home after vacation.
I got back home safely after the long trip.
I also want to get back my old video games. My brother keeps taking them.
Very good. Using get back makes your English natural and easy to understand. Yesterday, I decided to clean my room and get rid of all the old broken toys.
So what did you do with them?
I got rid of them by throwing them in the trash, but my little brother got very angry.
Oh no, he really didn't want you to do that, right?
Yes, get rid of means remove or throw away something you don't need.
I want to get rid of my old shoes. They are too small now.
My friend got rid of the old books on his shelf to make space for new ones.
That's smart. I also need to get rid of my old clothes.
You can also say, I got rid of all the unnecessary papers on my desk.
I want to get rid of bad habits to be better in life.
My mom got rid of the expired snacks from the kitchen yesterday.
That's good. So get rid of works for things, habits, or anything unwanted.
I got rid of all the junk food in my cupboard.
I also want to get rid of my old exam notes. They are useless now.
Perfect. Using get rid of makes your English practical and easy to use. Last week, I failed my math test, but I got over it quickly.
Wow. You didn't cry or get sad for long?
No, I got over it by practicing harder and watching funny videos.
So get over means recover from something or move on.
I got over my fear of speaking English after practicing every day.
I got over my cold quickly by drinking warm water and resting.
My friend got over his anger when I apologized for eating his chocolate.
So he moved on after forgiving you, right?
Exactly. You can use get over for problems, fears, sickness, or feelings.
I got over my nervousness before giving the presentation.
I got over being late to school by waking up early the next day.
Smart. That's a good way to get over mistakes.
I got over my exam stress by listening to music.
I also get over my boredom by watching funny videos with friends.
Using get over like this makes your English natural and easy to speak. Today, we will practice all the get phrases we learned together, so be ready.
Yes, let's get started and have some fun while learning English.
First, get up. I got up early today and had breakfast happily.
I got up at 7 a.m. and started my English practice.
Get in, get out. I got in the car quickly before it started raining.
I got out of the room to enjoy the fresh air.
Get on, get off. I got on the bus and got off at my stop.
I got on the train early and got off at the correct station.
Get back. I got back my lost notebook from my friend.
I got back home safely after a long walk.
Get rid of. I got rid of all the old junk in my cupboard.
I want to get rid of my bad habits slowly.
Get over. I got over my fear of speaking English.
I got over my nervousness before the exam by practicing every day.
Great job! You have learned all the common get phrases now.
Keep practicing these sentences every day to speak English naturally.
And remember, practice makes you confident and fluent.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends.
Also, subscribe to AI Talk English for more fun English practice videos.
Check out our playlist on the screen.